The YUZES HVLP Spray Gun is designed to provide high transfer efficiency, significantly reducing paint waste and overspray, making it an economical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a variety of interchangeable nozzles, this spray gun allows for precise application of different coatings, offering flexibility and control for a range of painting tasks. Its user-friendly design ensures that setup and maintenance are straightforward, making it an excellent choice for beginners while still meeting the needs of experienced users. With a durable one-piece aluminum alloy body and a corrosion-resistant finish, the spray gun is built to withstand regular use, promising long-lasting reliability. The complete kit comes with everything you need to get started, including multiple nozzles, disposable paint cups, and a cleaning kit, ensuring you are fully equipped for any painting project. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the YUZES HVLP Spray Gun offers peace of mind and confidence in its long-term performance.